In today's video, we're diving into the transformative power of building an unshakable morning routine, inspired by the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. We'll explore how incorporating Stoic principles can not only enhance your productivity, but also set a positive tone for your entire day. Have you ever woken up feeling overwhelmed or unprepared? A structured morning routine can be your antidote to chaos. We'll discuss practical steps to create a morning ritual that aligns with Stoic values such as mindfulness, resilience, and intentionality. By embracing these principles, you can cultivate a mindset that empowers you to tackle daily challenges with confidence. The significance of Stoic philosophy lies in its focus on self-control and the acceptance of things we cannot change. By applying these ideas to your morning routine, you'll learn to prioritize what truly matters, leading to increased focus and clarity throughout your day. Join us as we uncover the benefits of a well-structured morning routine, from improved mental clarity to enhanced emotional resilience. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to start your day with purpose and strength, setting the stage for a more productive life. Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that emphasizes rationality, self-discipline, and the importance of focusing on what we can control. In our fast-paced modern life, Stoicism remains incredibly relevant, offering practical tools for navigating daily challenges and fostering emotional resilience. Key figures in Stoicism, such as Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, taught that discipline and routine are essential for personal growth. Marcus Aurelius, for instance, emphasized the importance of daily reflection and setting intentions, while Seneca advocated for the value of time management and prioritizing meaningful activities. Their teachings encourage us to cultivate habits that align with our values, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life. By integrating Stoic principles into our daily routines, we can develop a resilient mindset that helps us face adversity with grace. For example, practicing mindfulness allows us to remain present and focused, while embracing the idea of accepting what we cannot change empowers us to let go of unnecessary stress. This approach not only enhances our productivity, but also fosters a sense of inner peace. In essence, Stoicism provides a framework for creating routines that nurture both our mental and emotional well-being, guiding us toward a more balanced and purposeful life. A well-structured morning routine is crucial for personal development, as it sets the tone for the entire day. Starting your day with intention can significantly enhance your psychological well-being. Research shows that individuals who engage in morning rituals report lower levels of stress and anxiety, leading to improved mental clarity and focus. By dedicating time to activities that nurture your mind and body, you create a positive mindset that carries through the day. Moreover, establishing a routine can help reduce decision fatigue. When you have a set sequence of tasks to follow each morning, you conserve mental energy for more important decisions later in the day. This streamlined approach not only increases productivity, but also allows you to tackle challenges with greater efficiency. Studies have shown that people who maintain consistent morning routines are more likely to achieve their goals. For instance, a survey by the American Psychological Association found that individuals who engage in morning exercise are 30% more likely to stick to their fitness goals. By prioritizing a morning routine, you're not just enhancing your day, you're investing in your long-term personal growth and success. Embracing this practice can lead to transformative changes in both your mindset and your overall quality of life. Creating a personalized morning routine is a powerful way to align your day with your goals and priorities. Start by identifying what you want to achieve each morning. Are you looking to boost your energy, enhance your focus, or cultivate a sense of calm? Understanding your objectives will help you tailor your routine to meet your specific needs. Once you have clarity on your goals, consider incorporating practical activities that resonate with you, Meditation can help center your thoughts, while exercise boosts endorphins and energizes your body. Journaling is another excellent practice, allowing you to reflect on your thoughts and set intentions for the day ahead. Choose activities that inspire you and make you feel good, as this will increase your motivation to stick with your routine. Remember, consistency is key to forming lasting habits. Start small and gradually adjust your routine as you become more comfortable. For instance, if you're new to meditation, begin with just 5 minutes a day and increase the duration over time. By making gradual changes, you'll create a sustainable morning routine that not only enhances your productivity, but also enriches your overall well-being. Embrace the journey of crafting a routine that truly reflects your aspirations. Integrating Stoic practices into your morning routine can profoundly enhance your mindset and resilience. One effective technique is negative visualization, which involves contemplating potential challenges or setbacks you might face during the day. By mentally preparing for these obstacles, you can approach them with a sense of calm and clarity, reducing anxiety and increasing your ability to respond effectively when they arise. Another powerful practice is gratitude journaling. Take a few moments each morning to write down 3 things you are grateful for. This simple act shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a positive outlook that aligns with Stoic principles. It reminds you to appreciate the present moment and the blessings in your life. Additionally, consider incorporating reflection on daily challenges. Spend a few minutes thinking about potential difficulties you might encounter and how you can approach them with a Stoic mindset, focusing on what you can, control and accepting what you cannot. To further inspire your journey, read Stoic texts or quotes from philosophers like Marcus Aurelius or Seneca. Their wisdom can provide motivation and guidance, helping you cultivate a resilient and positive mindset as you navigate your day. By weaving these practices into your morning routine, you'll empower yourself to face life's challenges with grace and strength. Maintaining a morning routine can be challenging, especially when distractions arise. Common obstacles include technology, such as smartphones and social media, which can easily pull you away from your intended activities. To minimize these distractions, consider setting boundaries, like keeping your phone in another room or using apps that limit notifications during your morning time. Creating a dedicated space for your routine can also help you stay focused and present. Flexibility is another crucial aspect of sustaining your morning routine. Life can be unpredictable, and it's essential to adapt your routine as needed. If you find that certain activities aren't working for you, or if your schedule changes, don't hesitate to modify your approach. The goal is to create a routine that serves you, not one that feels like a burden. Lastly, it's important to stay committed even when setbacks occur. Busy schedules or unexpected events can disrupt your routine, but remember that consistency is built over time. If you miss a day or two, don't be discouraged. Instead, reflect on what you can learn from the experience and recommit to your routine. By embracing these challenges and maintaining a positive mindset, you'll cultivate resilience and ultimately strengthen your morning practice. Evaluating the effectiveness of your morning routine is essential for ensuring it meets your personal development goals. One effective method is to keep a journal where you can track your progress and feelings. Documenting your experiences each morning allows you to reflect on what works well and what doesn't, providing valuable insights into your routine's impact on your overall well-being. Setting specific, measurable goals for your morning routine can also help you assess its effectiveness. For example, you might aim to meditate for 10 minutes, complete a workout, or write in your gratitude journal each day. By establishing clear objectives, you can easily gauge your success and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Reflection is a crucial component of this process. Regularly take time to evaluate your routine and consider how it aligns with your evolving goals and lifestyle. Are there activities that no longer serve you? Are there new practices you'd like to incorporate? By being open to adjustments over time, you can create a morning routine that continually supports your growth and enhances your daily life. Embracing this reflective approach will empower you to cultivate a routine that truly resonates with your aspirations. In today's discussion, we explored the importance of establishing a structured morning routine inspired by Stoic philosophy. We highlighted how such a routine can enhance your productivity, foster resilience, and set a positive tone for your day. By incorporating practices like negative visualization, gratitude journaling, and mindful reflection, you can cultivate a mindset that empowers you to face daily challenges with confidence. Key takeaways include identifying your personal goals for the morning, integrating practical activities that resonate with you, and remaining flexible as you adapt your routine over time. Remember, consistency is vital, but it's equally important to reflect on your progress and make adjustments as needed. We hope you found this video insightful and that you feel inspired to implement these strategies in your own life. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips on personal development and Stoic practices. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from a more structured morning routine. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.